Hey, it's Sam here from Lean Greens, and today on Upgrade Your Nutrition, we're going to look at trying a smoothie bowl. So just a reminder, if you're just joining us, this is our 28-day challenge. My bit of paper's looking a bit worn by now. Of Upgrade Your Nutrition challenges, so different ways to get in more veg, more fruit, more fresh foods without cutting anything out. So today we're going to talk about smoothie bowls. Now, I think smoothie bowls kind of came about because smoothies in a glass aren't that photographically interesting, and so the Instagram generation created smoothie bowls so they can make them look really pretty because they're basically the same thing, but it is a little bit different and quite nice. So in here I've got some frozen banana. So what I do with bananas is, if I've bought some bananas and I know I'm not going to get around to eating them, I just chop them up, stick them in a freezer in a bag, and they're great for making smoothies. And I've got some frozen raspberries in there as well. So by using frozen fruits as the base for this, it's going to create more a kind of soft serve ice cream, kind of frozen yogurt sort of deal. So I'm going to put in a big blob of yogurt. Probably have to add some more in a minute. This is still my favourite irresistible Greek yogurt from the Co-op. And we're going to have a go at blitzing this up. You could of course add some vanilla trim if you wanted to, or any other protein powder that you have. When you're using frozen, you kind of have to jiggle it a bit. You could add a bit more yogurt, or we could also add, look at that, you can kind of see how it's going kind of like frozen like ice cream. Just a bit more in there. You could add some oat milk or almond milk at this point as well. And you could add some spinach, as we were talking about the other day. Let's try. We're going to have to sort of just prise this away from the sides of the jar. This should be better. If this is still a bit gloopy, we might have to add some oatmeal. Try oat milk sliced in this, or almond milk. As I was saying when we were talking about turmeric lattes, I quite like all the different milk alternatives. Almond's probably my favourite. They all have a slightly different taste. Let's see this taste.
Nice that you're gentle with it.
Well, let's get a bit of a stir. I think we're basically there. See, it actually looks like ice cream. So let's dollop that out. It's a wee bit thick. You'd probably normally have it a wee bit thinner than that. But this is the practical guide rather than the Instagram pretty one. So
can you imagine like all these Instagram folk like going, my God, how can you make such a messy one? But
you've probably seen those pictures you can look at on Instagram if you know what it was supposed to look like and how it turns out. So on Instagram, this would be a beautifully, perfectly smooth smoothie bowl. And then what they do on the gram is, and the beauty of having a smoothie actually as a dish like this is it is more like a dessert, and you can then add the different textures because you're going to eat it with a spoon out of a bowl. You can add things on top like nuts and seeds. You could add chia seeds, you could add flax seeds, you could add sultanas, you could add all the different things we were actually talking about when we were talking about how to upgrade your yogurt. And what they do is they put it on little pretty lines and they make it look really, really like Instagrammy. And this is just going to look like a big pile of stuff on some pink thing. I think I might have some. So we have some nuts, and I've got some Brazil nuts. There we go. It's looking kind of pretty. There we go. So, an almost Instagram-worthy smoothie bowl. And yeah, there's probably quite a lot in there. You can actually do this as a dessert, maybe in some little small pots, make it look quite posh. And yeah, so have a go.
Post
Take a
pictures.
photo of your smoothie bowl, put a photo below, see if you can make it look prettier than mine. It's not going to be too hard. Yeah, you can put lots of different things in the smoothies to tell us what your favourite recipe is.